Mike?
Permission to enter your place of work?
Permission granted.
Thank you.
Today I'll be learning about the importance of drainage in a crawl space.
Explain it to me like I'm a guy who's never been under a house before. Why do we need a trench, Doug?
Because a lot of these homes that we do are close to the water. You need drainage in here to stop the flooding and channel the water to the pump.
Seems ambitious, Aiden.
Yep, it's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of old stale cake. Where should the trench begin?
You want it as close to the foundation as you can get it. You know, and then you never know what you're gonna find in here. There's a footer.
As opposed to a foot, which would be alarming.
Right.
Relax, folks, it's a footer, not a foot. So is the trench gonna run parallel to the wall, or it's gonna run down this way?
It'll run parallel with the wall.
Oh.
Yep. And then you would just wrap the corner down that wall and to the pump. Watch your back on the nails.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's good. One more thing. I like the nails down here, man. They make it extra exciting. Hi, Victor.
So the next stage is going to be to control the environment and insulate the crawl space.
We've already dug the trench. We probably don't need this little shovel anymore.
Nope, I think we're good.
Good, man. I'm gonna have dreams about that thing for a while.
Dreams?
Nightmares, maybe.
But this is what goes in the trench.
In the trench, right?
Yes, sir. Yep, in the trench. This pipe guides our water to the sump pump, and then the sump pump pumps it out into.
Can I see that?
Yeah,
just so
sure.
I got it seared into my.
Follow this way.
Yeah.
And below this gravel, you have our pipe.
And the pipe's in it.
Correct.
And it's underneath the gravel.
Yep, and it has a protective stock covering over it. Especially out here, we have a lot of sandy soil, so you want to keep as much of that out as we can, so that way the water has a free movement. We'll cover that back up so it functions.
Victor, everything is covered up down here,
Yeah,
right? Everything is out of sight.
Correct. We want to prevent all this moisture, all this humidity that stays in the ground. We want it to keep it in the ground and not up into the wood members of your home.
And again, this is like worth a look, because most homeowners who are suffering from this exact thing don't ever see it.
Correct.
But it's down here in the crawl space and it's moist.
And within a couple of weeks, this will all be fairly dry, more like play sand as that moves to the drainage and out to the sump pump.
Gotcha.
This is the basin. Our pump goes in here. Pipe comes out. It gets piped out to the crawl space. So we dig the hole deeper than the basin is. Put a level, a barrier of gravel down at the bottom,
right?
So the sediment falls down to there,
Got it.
And then that water rises, goes into the sump pump.
Yep. And the gravel just goes all around?
Yes, sir. Right, and then so again, that's going to lead the water to the sump pump,
Yep.
And then pump the water, and the sump pump will pump it out of the crawl space.
Thank you, Victor. That's Victor. He's awesome. He's going to do what he does, and the rest of the crew is going to do what they do. And when the dust finally settles, this job is going to be done sometime late tomorrow night. Me? I'm going to lunch.
If you got a musty or wet crawl space, you know what to do. Go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.